Alright, let's try that again. Do I have to blow these up again? Good. No. Although one thing I do find cute, hopefully I show it on the next frog. The frogs, the whole butterflies, actually have a, whatchamacallit, crown over them. So if you kiss them, they'll become a king. But you gotta be a princess or Crash Bandicoot. Alright, let me take care of you. Cool. That's near the enemy that I passed on. I'll do Sergeant Bird's thing last, just because that way we can say goodbye to him properly. It's like I'm gonna fall again. What? Oi! Oi! Alright, I'll take care of that low level last. Just need to get these gems and the mystery bottle. But first, I need to get you. Sweet. Do you have lightning? Ruby? Oh. Well, that's a bit inconvenient. I don't think I hit the cat, but it would be interesting if I did. Good. All right. Now to get a skill point. Yeah, I'm overly judging how I want to go about this. Perfect. I should have done this part last, now that I'm thinking about it out loud. Yeah, should have done this one last. Alright. Now let's say goodbye to Sergeant Bird. Because I'm right here, and I'm not going to do the one that I thought that I was going to do first now. Whee! Oh yeah, look, he has a crown. Kiss him, Spyro. Ooh, fiery kisses.
Good day, Spyro. I'd like to stay and chat, but I'm late for an engagement with a fairy friend of mine. She's just a friend, you understand. It's a strictly platonic relationship. It's certainly not a violation of military protocol whatsoever. What? What are you giving me that look for?
Where have you been, James? We were supposed to meet in the temple an hour ago. And don't give me that old matters of national security line again. I guess it doesn't matter, though. The whole temple is full of nasty cat witches anyway. We'll just have to call off our date. That is, unless you want to battle the witches.
So Sergeant Birdier is a playa. No, I've always kind of found this more humorous than anything. Also, very easy if you just drop down and let them come to you. Like, you can circle around and the camera, like, when the camera locks on them, they'll just charge right towards you. This is, mind you, the first stage of the whole thing, so...
So, I see those rocket launchers aren't just for show after all. Well, I just hope your accuracy is better than your punctuality, because there are still a lot more witches in the temple.
Okie dokie. Oh, I thought that would be... thought that would work. Ow. Worry not. I know what to do if I get hit a few more times. They can attack you instead of just charging towards you, and that's going to be demonstrated in the next stage. Come on. Don't be shy, kitty. Oh!
I must admit, James, I am impressed. There are still a few witches left, though, and this time they mean business. They even turned the floor into deadly blue ooze. Oh, be careful, okay?
I was sloppy here, so I'm definitely gonna mess up. So another skill point in this level is right here. And I'm dead! Alright, we're back to this part, so if I ever get hit once by one of these guys, I got the health back up if I need it. Okay, well, at least I only have to worry about oh boy. Needed that health faster than I thought. Come on, come to me. Come to me. Come on. Where are these cats? Come on, come on, come on. Yay!
You did it, James. I knew you weren't the leader of the Hummingbird Resistance Movement for nothing. Now we have the temple all to ourselves. But first, I have a present for you.
All right. Well, duty calls. Oh, there are some gems I'm missing. Over towards the beginning, I guess. Oh! Yeah. Forgot all about y'all. Okay, cool. Now to visit Jack and get the last remaining 200 gems, I think. Let's also see if I'm good with math. I'm good with math. And away we go to help out Jack. With a very, very similar seed game.
According to legends, there's a golden goose at the top of this here mountain. I want to be the first person to the top so I can grab. I just bought some Insta-Sprout Ultra Super Grow seeds from a bear with a bag of gems. He said they were magic, but I can't make them do anything. You can have a couple if you like.
Okie dokie. It's rather simple this time around. I used to overthink this like crazy when I was younger. By that I mean the second portion. And we'll get to that second portion. So it's not just putting in a bead and being done. No, there's a few steps. And we'll go to those steps momentarily. Do. This seed's going to become very important later.
I found this egg on the way up here. I think it was laid by a golden goose. We'll have to keep going. We're almost to the top. You've been doing great so far. Why don't you take 2 more seeds?
Okay. Dang, I thought I hit that on the mark. Alright, let's see. Now, this is when it gets a little bit repetitive because my sad 6-year-old mind did not know how to do this part whatsoever. It did not make sense, but I got to work eventually because, you know, you get smarter with age. I hope. So this yellow seed, we're moving it back down over here. And we're going to be using it right here. I believe. And we're taking this big one, and we're taking it with us to replace that yellow that was there. That's it. I do not know why my mind always thought different of that part, but yeah. This egg took me a while when I was younger because I was too naive. Not realizing that I had to not use those seeds that were placed there. Cool, cool, cool. And cool, cool, cool. So, you saw all those gems teleport to the side.
At last, I found the legendary golden goose. You can have another one of its eggs for a souvenir.
Okay. Almost done. We just gotta go down here. Whee! And I hope this is the last of the gems. Yes, it is! We're done with this level, and we can get out of here. Bye.